Come in. Grab a seat. Alright, how's it going? My name's Lawrence, I'll be a physio. How can I help you today? Okay, so how do you fix tendinopathy? So what are my recommendations? So tendinopathy is all about load management. So if you're loading up your body to the point where it's not recovering, it's going to push you further into tendinopathy. Best thing to do is consult a physio and they can discuss a treatment program where we start to manage how much load you're putting in. Keep in mind you do still want to continue loading your body. A little bit of stress will help to actually stimulate your body to keep recovering and keep getting stronger. You don't want to completely stop what you're doing. So this is very specific to your case, which is why you need to see us so we can assess what works best for you. In terms of treatment that I offer, I would work through your exercises. I would give you exercises that promote recovery. So studies have shown that isometric exercises are one of the best things we can do for tendinopathy. There was a study back ages ago where some guy was trying to snap his own tendon because he just wanted it surgically repaired. He ended up doing eccentric work and isometric work, and it actually made the tendon stronger. So that's a lot of the focus that you should be having with tendinopathy. On top of that, you can do specific manual therapies, massage, needles, shockwave therapy, all that kind of stuff to help encourage a bit of recovery and a bit of blood flow. And the last thing would be the load management. So by offloading the tendon with strapping, with taping, with casting, whatever you require, that in conjunction with an exercise program will actually push you into the right path and you actually recover